Okay, new toy. It's supposed to be an easier, less fatiguing jigsaw. I have a full-size jigsaw, but working with some of these gourds, fine cuts. I got this one for a project I'm doing, and I'm excited. I love tools. Once as an anniversary present, I got a scroll saw. I was like so thrilled. Jewelry, well, that's nice. Scroll saw, ooh, thank you, wonderful. So I'm hoping that this camera is catching this, because, cool. Okay, this looks like it's a foot switch. Oh, there's a foot switch. That's different. All right. There it is. A little guide. I'll look at that later. Here, handheld, easy to use jig. I was going to cut some gourds today. I hope this is in the camera, but I'm going to have to learn how to use it first. Like, okay, this is the foot plate, and I don't really know, so I got to put it together. Oh, and it comes with some, oh, good, cool, some little mini jigsaw blades. I wonder if I can get these at my local hardware store, if I will have to order them. Okay, I'm excited.